What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be playing I Am Monkey, cause we're monkeys. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Alright. So this game is also made by the person that made I Am Cat. So shout out to the creators. So oh my god, we have an elephant. I played this game about recording, but yeah, we're singing. Okay. It's our baby monkey. Hi, Timmy. Hi, Timmy. Why are you so sad, Timmy? Timmy, why you're sad? Timmy is very sad, and I don't know why. Why is Timmy sad? So, Timmy, what did you do? Timmy. The toilet's right there. Timmy! Why? Oh my god, my son is...
Big friendship hopes.
Stick? Ooh, I love sticks.
I wonder how it feels on the other side of the bar.
Hey, you can come here.
You're gonna wrinkle the visitor.
Hey, you cannot come here. Hey. Get the freak out of my house! Hey, you're not like 5 years old. Get a life. Get a life. You're never leaving, stupid woman. Come here. Hey, elephant, eat her. It's your food for today. Take it. It's your food. We got a guard here. It looks pretty good.
Move, people. Survival of the fastest.
Oh my god. Look at this guy. He's super fat. He's a fatty. What do you have glasses? Oh my god. Hey! Ooh, oh, my carrot. No! My carrot. Where's my carrot? What? Timmy. Timmy is scared for some reason. The character does teleported here. Take your freaking carrot! Take your freaking carrot with you! Take your freaking... I hate carrot. Hey! Ooh, beard? Beard. Were you just twerking? You little baby. Get out of here! Stupid man. You're not allowed to for that reason. Run. You're awake.
Ouch.
And stay in there. Alright, I guess I'll let you get out. You're right. It's time for you to go home. Alright, time for you to go home.
Why is this happening to me?
Cause you gotta get out of here, buddy. Timmy, this is what you do when bad people come. Timmy, why are you scared? Timmy, what? Why are you sad? We are monkeys, and I don't know. Come here up, Timmy. Okay, Timmy, you want to come up with me? Okay. Whee! I am.
Zoo trip just turned cardio.
What is? Oh, strawberry. My son is mentally sad. I'm getting up here. Nobody. What? Yeah, I am the top of the jungle. Oh no, I slipped. Oh no! I'm about to fall! Oh no! Oh no. I'm about to fall! I broke my back. Oh my god. What are you laughing about? Okay, take your beard. Do you want this? Take your beard.
Help!
I just hit you with a beard. Isn't that bad?
I wonder how it feels on the other side of the bars.
You are literally 3 years old. You know what I do to 3 years old? This. Eh. Take that. A carrot. Timmy, do you want the carrot? Oh my god, not again. Hey, bro. Get the freak out of my house. Alright, I got some angry issues. Because the people never listen. Listen. Eh. Well, I did nothing. I'm tired of people always doing this to me. Die! Yeah! Hey, we don't do that here. Die! Nobody's living. Ah! Hey, elephant, I got you a gift. Take it. Eat it. You don't want it? Eat it. You're an elephant. Eat the nut. You don't want... Bro. Eat the nut! Guys, somehow my monkey got out of, his cage. He came out of the... somehow, and I don't know how to reach him. Yeah, my son was stuck. So I don't know what to do. And, what is my son doing? So I don't know what to do about my situation with my monkey being here. And I can grab him. So, monkey boy, I'm coming for you. Yeah, I glitched the game. My monkey is trapped. Hey, God, leave my monkey alone. He did nothing. Okay, I glitched the game. My monkey is now stuck. Guys, my monkey went to the back rooms. No, my monkey! My monkey! Alright, guys, I got my monkey back somehow. It took like 1 million hours. But I'm okay now. And you have caused me enough trouble. You're going to the adoption center, buddy. I don't care. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I need help. Somebody help me. Help me! Help me!